Picciotte e Picciotti! Happy to see you again. I hope that you are fine. I know that these are not good times, but we are sure that everything will be over and will be normal very soon. And now I have a surprise for you. Gianca is coming with something really special. Look at this!
From the 1968. So this is a vintage vehicle, a vintage scooter. Rosella, why don't you come?
Can I come with you, Gianca?
Yeah, because we have to celebrate.
But I'm afraid of you.
Come here. Switch and come here.
Look at this beautiful landscape.
Switch. Follow me.
So let me switch.
Sorry. Here we are, guys. So I want to introduce my house, our office as well, and we are very glad to share with you something special. Not the Vespa. Vespa is a beautiful scooter, but today we are very excited to tell you something beautiful. Let's go.
Let's go, Gianca! This is an important live broadcast for us, so please share with your friends.
Guys, sorry for that colors. Pink and black are the colors of Palermo football team. So this is why I decided to paint it pink. We have to show our garden.
Do you want to go?
In another.
Do you want to go now?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's show our vegetable garden. Come on.
Let's check if your garden is growing up.
Guys, do you remember my eggplants, my tomatoes, my zucchini? So guys, this is the result. They are growing.
Please show me some tomatoes.
So this is peppers.
You can see here.
They are
small fruit.
They are how do you say, eggplants.
Eggplants.
This is fagiolini.
Oh, show me please some fagiolini.
This is fagiolini. So tomato. That's tomato.
Over there.
Tomato. And I'm so proud about this. So guys, look at the zucchini. This
Your
way.
first zucchini.
This way. Zucchini and tenerumi. So guys, look at the tenerumi. They are
Congratulations, Gianca.
hanging up. So in few weeks we will enjoy pasta with tenerumi.
And we can plan a live streaming with making pasta with tenerumi with your mother.
Yeah, let's go.
And
Rosella.
also I want to share to show the tomatoes, the small tomatoes.
Oh, look at this.
Yes.
This is the Datterino tomatoes, the sweet one, and that's the Corleone tomato. Show the Corleone tomato. So this is the, oh, look at that. Be patient, guys. Come on. Actually, that was not the reason why we made this live broadcast. We have a more important reason.
An important surprise.
Be careful, Rosella. Welcome to my house and office.
It's also mine.
Now it's also Rosella's office. So guys, let's try. Where do you start now? So we start from the beginning. It's charging. Okay. So Rosella, I think you should say something.
This is our newborn. Our new website is online, is live. We are almost ready. Just small details, but the new website is online.
Show something.
So this is the home page.
Make a scroll.
You can find here all things about us. And here I want to switch, Gianca.
Okay. So guys, you can watch our best videos dedicated to Sicily, to our tours, and of course our tours are focused on the food and wine Sicilian products, and this is full of beautiful contents. You can see our reviews, our clients' reviews. You can see the beautiful Facebook page.
And we are live right now. Look at this.
Oh, that's incredible. So let's talk about the structure of the website. So we have just 6 different products. So we have the custom private tours, the Sicilian ancestry tours. You know, guys, we help you enjoy Sicily if you have a Sicilian origin. So we can search for your long lost relatives here in Sicily. You can trace your ancestors here in Sicily, and in the same time you can enjoy our beloved island. This is the Sicilian vacation packages. I will talk about it later. So that's the private day tours. It means you can ask us if you are in Sicily, you're already in Sicily, and you want to make an excursion, a day excursion, I don't know, from Palermo to the best locations in West Sicily, or from Syracuse or Taormina or Catania to the other beautiful locations in East Sicily. This is the section dedicated to you.
Work in progress, this section.
Yeah, this is the only section that we are still working on. And the last two sections are dedicated to the, I would say, business clients, because you know, we also provide companies and associations with corporate trips to Sicily, team build events, team building activities, reward trips. But the most, our core business, you go, guys, custom private tours, that also Sicilian tours, they are the same, they are also custom private tours of Sicily. And Sicily vacation packages.
This is the other.
Now we are so proud and so happy to show with you. Can I say, Rosella?
Yes!
Can I spoil you?
It's the time!
So I click on this section. Let's see what happens. Connection is a little bit slow today. They are two friends of us, two former clients who enjoyed a tour of Sicily. Oh, this is the Capo outdoor market in Palermo, and this is a zucchini. So this page, guys, is dedicated to our next Sicily Lovers Tour. Next, June 2021. And guys, this is not a private tour. You know, we always provide custom private tours of Sicily, but just once a year we make a small group tour of Sicily. It's reserved for only a few people, about 20 people. So if you want to come to Sicily with other beautiful people, this is your opportunity. And there is a video that shows the tour. This is the section dedicated to the key elements of the Sicily Lovers Tour. You have high quality accommodation, 4 and 5-star hotels. You have almost all the dinners and lunches, of course, breakfast included. You have many food experiences with local producers. Every day something beautiful, something exciting. If you have, of course, a Sicilian origin and you want to meet your relatives, we have thought about your leisure time, so you can relax and you can also enjoy some leisure time, and you have the opportunity to meet your relatives. And where else, Rosella? So we have included beautiful picture in the website. You can, I think you can enjoy the navigation. If you go in this section, you can download the schedule. Okay, guys?
It's a PDF file.
So you can download the schedule of the tour. This is where you can find the schedule. So more or less at the end of the page.
And more or less, it's about 40 pages. It's a
so,
lot.
guys, this is a spoil. This is a surprise. But Rosella and I made a hard job. I think it's good to show you what we did. I click on download. So, as you can see, it's downloading the PDF. Be patient. So guys, look at this.
39 pages.
So guys,
Full
it's
of information.
It's an hard job. we put in the schedule everything. So elements, information about Sicily, about the tour, about the itinerary,
about the food, also.
About the food experiences, and there are many information for you. And of course, you can find the schedule. So this is the brief itinerary, and they are the locations on the map. The location you will see in Sicily. Oh, this is dedicated to what you will enjoy in Sicily.
The food.
All the
and
food
the
you will
experiences.
enjoy. This is the page dedicated to the accommodations. Accommodation in Palermo, accommodation in Ragusa, the accommodation in Ortigia, Syracuse, the accommodation in Taormina, and this is the schedule. So this is when the schedule actually starts, actually begins. You have the full schedule each day. Then, of course, you go on, you go ahead, and you have the sales conditions. You have a lot of things, and at the end, you have our our picture. So this is I think this is the summary.
We look forward to taking care of you. So we wait for you here in Sicily next year.
So guys, again, one more time. We are in the section dedicated to the, again, Rosella, Sicily vacation packages. And you can find this button. You can click the button and you can download the tour schedule.
And there is another important widget here.
Yeah?
You can WhatsApp with us.
You can also WhatsApp Gianca and Rosella.
If you have questions, feel free to ask Gianca and Rosella. We'll be glad to assist you.
Something important. We have to talk about the newsletter.
Yes, and this is our new email. You can shoot us an email, of course.
So if you go into resources, you can find newsletter.
We are working on this.
This is
in few hours.
But let's say what is it?
Yes.
What it is. So newsletter, guys, is the opportunity to know in advance what is going on. So it's your opportunity to receive our news and to
know when we go live.
So because some people always ask, oh Rosella, oh Gianca, I missed your last broadcast.
I didn't receive the alert from Facebook.
So guys, this is the tool, very useful tool, to know when we go live on Facebook, on YouTube. And so you can, you have an alert to know in advance. And of course, to receive other important information about Sicily. Rosella, now we go outside.
Please,
because
only show the homepage, because we forgot to say the website name. Gianca.
Sure. Ironically, we skip the most important information, guys. Best things to do in Sicily.
.com. It's very easy to remember because it's the name is our Facebook page. And now, Gianca, it's time to.
I have to say two things. First, I want to go outside because it's a little bit dark, but it's also windy.
Yes, too windy. Maybe it's better this way. If you open this. We can stay here.
Better to stay into the house. Where is the switch? Okay. So guys, we are very, very excited. And Rosella.
I want to have a cheers with our friends.
We have to decide a point of view without backlight.
So I'm not able to open this
First,
bottle of wine.
Rosella, the most important thing, we have to thank all the people
Yes.
involved in the translation, in the correction of the English text. Because you know, guys, our English is so bad, and we ask your help. And in particular,
A lot of people helped us.
have helped us, and we have to thank in particular Anthony and Frank Ragusa, who made a wonderful job. So guys, this is the
They read all the website.
yeah they
Every page.
they corrected
Every page.
page, and so thank you guys, you're wonderful. And now it's time to make a brindisi.
A brindisi. It's your job, Gianca, because I'm not able to open the bottle. So please help me.
Switch. We decided to use a great wine for to celebrate this moment. Rosella, what wine is it?
I think it's an Etna wine, Etna red. I'm correct? Yeah. Etna rosso.
Etna Rosso, guys. So a great blend of Nerello Mascalese and Nerello Cappuccio, two amazing wine from Mount Etna, our beautiful mountain. Our it's a it's a must location. If you go to Mount Etna, don't miss the opportunity to visit one of the several beautiful wineries on the slope of the volcano. Guys, we are talking about the highest active volcano in Europe, but also it's full of beautiful landscapes and excellent wines. So, Rosella.
A glass for me, thanks, Gianca.
Is it enough?
I think it's enough.
Perhaps it's too much.
So let me switch. Maybe this way, and you can take.
So this is for you. This is a little bit less.
Thank you. You can sit, Gianca, because you are too tall for me.
If you want, we can sit in the sofa. Okay. Oh.
So we are very. I don't want to cry.
No, Rosella, please. It's a beautiful thing. You don't have to cry. She's so sensible, guys. Because we made a great, hard job, in particular in this crazy situation. You know, our tourism industry is completely destroyed because of the virus, and we said, okay, we have two chances. We can give up. We can do another job, or we can go ahead. We decided to
go ahead.
To go ahead and to make new videos, to focus on the new website, and so guys, never give up. We are all experiencing a crazy situation all around the world. You know, for example, now in the United States you are experiencing something bad. I mean, the riots. But please, be positive, be strong, and
hang in there.
Think positive. We decided to go ahead with this new website. We had a website, but we decided to change skin, to do another website with different contents, with different videos and pictures. How do you say? To be funnier.
It's like a new life for us because this year for us is like a zero. We can say a zero here.
They say square one.
Okay.
So we are at the square one now. We are starting again. After several years of hard job, we are now again at square one. And so we really hope this situation will be over soon. Actually, Italy has opened the customs, the borders, right few days ago. So we are now ready to host people from the European Union. But guys, you are our core business. I mean, the Americans, the Canadians, the Australians, and so now we are at square one. We have to wait for you, and they say in few days, Alitalia, for example, our main airline company, will open the route from New York to Rome. I'm pretty sure that the situation will be okay, will be good in September. But of course, we had a lot of cancellation, and we are reprotecting our clients to 2021. So 2021 will be, for sure, a very busy year for us. Because we have the clients from this year, from 2020, and clients who will book a new tour. So
next year.
So Rosella, don't cry, please, because
no, but it's a cry
of joy.
Of joy because of the new website. And also, I want to say that we need your help because our new website is new, and for Google it's difficult to reach the top ranking. So please, for us it's very important that you will visit our website to increase the traffic through our website, and so Google can recognize our website
and can show our website in the first page of Google. This is so useful for us, guys. So if you want to help us, this is the best you can do it. So you can right now, you can click in the website. So which is the name? Say again. Do you remember?
Do you remember, Gianca? I want to check if you remember.
Best things to do in Sicily.
.com,
guys. And you can also check from the tablet. Oh, sorry. The tablet. And of course from the mobile phone. Where is it? My mobile phone. Oh.
We are still working on some things, but more
from the mobile phone, from the tablet, and from your desktop. Now we are working on the last details from the mobile phone.
Yes.
But you can. I want to show you.
Yeah.
So this is so nice.
And so please, don't forget to invite also your friends to visit our website. Don't forget, please, so you can help us to grow up.
And now it's time to say cin cin. Salute!
Thank you.
I just say in English. I don't know in English. We wish a great life to our newborn child. To best things to do in Sicily.com. Salute!
Very strong.
That's very strong, guys. It's about 6:20 p.m. So
it's time to have an aperitif.
It's time to have an aperitif, but it's a hot day today.
But I'm following a diet for the bikini
Yeah. She has to show her beauties to the world. In few days, we will show some beautiful Sicilian beach.
Yes.
Perhaps we will go to Terracini coastline, one of the best coastlines in Sicily. Very, very close to our house. And so...
And also we have to make limoncello.
Limoncello is still waiting for us, guys. This is a pity. We are no, because we have been so busy with the new website, with the Sicily Lovers Tour 2021, and we had no time to do a simple thing. So we just need. Let's show Rosella. I had to find my keys. Show this. Show the bank of alcohol. So guys, this is. They are ready to be filled with. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Because we have the lemon zest.
We have laurel.
The laurel.
We have the lemons. We have the mandarins, the tangerines. This is grapefruit. So guys, we are ready. In few days we will do the live streaming. I also, I do say, mettere la chitarra al chiodo. I forget to play my guitar because I've been so busy. So my guitar is on the wall.
In the next days, you have to play again, Gianca, and sing.
Yeah, you have the backlight.
So, just show the...
Let's go out.
The landscape.
No, let's this way. That's better.
And so we can say bye-bye. Show the landscape.
So guys, thank you for
Thank you for
watching
your love.
us.
Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything.
We need your help. So please click on the bestthingstodoinsicily.com and help us to grow up in, on Google. That's very important for us.
And now,
stay tuned and see you the next one. I don't know, perhaps the making of limoncello, or perhaps we will show you the beautiful coastline of Terracini. It will be something exciting.
love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao.